Okay, so let's discuss Bitcoin. So what happened? We didn't have much volatility here for a while, and then suddenly we went up a lot. So what's happening now? Even though we had a crash here, it wasn't enough to propel Bitcoin much higher than before. Okay, so we went down again, and if this wasn't able to make Bitcoin move higher, I'm not so confident that this will, because many times you have to have like a bigger shock like than the previous. The market has been. I know there's like the classic theory that says that this needs to be higher than the last one, and this needs to be higher than the last one, so higher tops, higher bottoms. But in practice, this has not been so true always as the market gets more difficult. So it could be that we need to go down more than this level to be able to propel up. However, we're still in an up channel. It's a short-term up channel so far, comparing to the down trend that we had. And I don't think that Bitcoin is gonna like fall so neatly as it is. So I mean, I can see it going down to 25 or even lower a little bit, depending on how you look. We're looking on the weekly chart, but I believe that before that is gonna trick a lot of short sellers, and also like it has tricked a lot of the buyers. So anyone who bought here, many people are having to stop, the more speculative types, and it should go up again, test this line, and perhaps even reach 51 before it defines whether it's going to continue to go up or it's going to go down. Okay, so we're now right in the middle of the recent little crash from 48 to 39, and we're just moved up a little bit, but I believe that we can move up higher. We can seek 49 again, maybe 50, and perhaps maybe even go beyond 50, like 51 and a half, 52, before we have more definition if it's going to continue going up or going down. At some point, we're going to have to go down. I think this is unavoidable. It's just the nature of any asset. It's very volatile, and it always seeks its average, the main average lines. But let's see when in the year this is going to happen. I think that, okay, something else that's important. For Bitcoin to go down a lot, you might have to trick a lot of purchases. So you might have to make people buy a lot before it can actually, so it gets heavy. So it's get heavy with a lot of purchases, and then it can fall. Okay, I don't think that there were enough purchases here for there to be enough stops to make it go down a lot like we had here. Because here we had a lot of expectations, or a lot of buying here, buying. A lot of people buying the breakouts, which I think is very silly. I mean, it's not a good strategy for the market nowadays. So a lot of people, oh yeah, if it goes past the last top, then I'm gonna buy, and this is what happens, and it happens to so many assets. You just look at the graphs, and I mean, it's a silly strategy nowadays, I think. Okay, so basically here we can go up again, we can seek these 50, 51, then a lot of hope buying again, and then we're going to have the fuel necessary to make it go down if it goes down. Alright, so that's it. I'm expecting Bitcoin to try to go up again. I could be completely wrong, this is not financial advice, but I'd like to share this with you. What do you think? Write in the comments below. Thank you.